There it is, the Barrett M107A1 50 cal semi-automatic rifle. This thing has become somewhat iconic, and with good reason, because it shoots these little monsters. I have had mine about a year and I really like it. If you're considering one, I hope this video will give you some idea of what that might be like. So one of the obvious questions I get is, why would you want to own something like that? It didn't start off with me looking for a Barrett rifle. I got an advertisement for some belted 50 cal and started thinking that could make a pretty cool display for my gun room. So be careful what you ask for. There I am wearing 100 rounds of belted 50 cal. Wasn't long before I had my display built, and unfortunately started playing with my head. Found myself watching videos of people blowing stuff up. Wonder what one of these things would cost. Let's just look around. Maybe I'll just put that in the cart and see how it feels. Holy smokes, I can't believe I pressed place order. All right, don't panic. I can get this in the house, get it on the wall, and she'll never notice it's there. I'm gonna do 2. There you go, range day with the Barrett. Hope it came across just how thrilling this thing is to shoot. After a year, I'm pretty happy with mine. And so is it something that would work for you? If you're watching this video, I'd have to say yes. And if you're concerned that your wife might kill you, no, she's gonna be very happy because you're happy. And if she did, I don't think she'd use one of these. At any rate, I really appreciate you watching this video. Look forward to doing some more on different shooting topics, and we'll pick it up then. Thanks.